Welcome to Petals of Wytheville, where every stem tells a story. Each design is thoughtfully crafted, whether it's for a celebration, a milestone, or simply to make somebody's day brighter. This is where creativity lives, right in the heart of our downtown. Just steps away, that same care carries into Petals Wine Bar. Glasses are poured, friends gathered, and conversations flow. It's a place where people come together and feel at home. Here, you'll see neighbors meeting neighbors, visitors becoming regulars, moments shared around tables, laughter echoing through the room. Petals is more than flowers. Petals Wine Bar is more than a place to eat and drink. And everyone at Petals loves being a part of our downtown, and we invite you to come visit us.